Hi, in this video I'm going to show the LED lights in close-up. This one is soft white and is 6-inch diameter, housed inside an 8.5-inch diameter clamp-on light. Because the light is so bright, I won't be able to show the fixture. I'm going to try anyway. It's this clamp onto a branch of a tree, and this bright one is 9-inch diameter, housed inside 12-inch clamp-on fixture, and it's cool white. It's, as you see, the clamps right there. It's a shiny part. It's clamped onto a branch, and that one right there is 6-inch diameter in cool white, also inside a 8.5-inch clamp-on fixture. I don't think I'm able to show the fixture, but those LED lights, you can buy the just the LED lights as a kit from Amazon, and just buy the clamp-on fixture from Home Depot or Lowe's. But we highly recommend, for the 8.5-inch clamp-on fixture, we highly recommend the one from Harbor Freight, because the aluminum fixture the gauge is thicker, doesn't get nicked as easily. Thank you.